Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another collective haul. I wanted to come on and share the last part of my birthday haul for the month of September. I did go crazy this month. Um, I bought the cottage cut gingerbread die. I've been wanting that ever since Jill showed it to me years ago. And got my hands on it. Hopefully, I'll be getting it soon, but I will be waiting very patiently for it because I know that Peachy Keen, it does take time. They're a small little company, and so I'll patiently wait for it. I'm eagerly waiting for it, but I'm just happy that they brought it back for a limited time, I think. So I went to Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby today. A fellow crafter told me that they had dyes on sale, Timmy on sale. So I did not go crazy because I have so much Timmy. But oh my gosh, his Christmas collection this year is so awesome. But okay, let's start with Dollar Tree. It's just a small little purchase. Um, Let me stop saying Okay, so I bought this on my last. I think it was my last. I don't know if it was my last haul or the haul before that one. But I went ahead and bought the gnome. Um, I think this is a tea kitchen towel and some oven mitts and um, another type of mitt. So anyway, I saw, oh, who did I see? I think it was Tammy, who's SS Crafter One on Instagram, and she had shared that they had the travel mugs with these guys on it. I'm like, oh, that would complete my collection. Okay, I didn't get them because I saw this one instead. And I love this pattern. It would go with my Hobby Lobby. I bought the runner, the placemats, the coffee mug, the salt and pepper shaker. I mean, I did go crazy. Was it last year? Yeah, for Christmas. And this would go well with that set and all year round. You know, I don't have to bring it. Oh, I got a little scratch there, but who cares? It's $1. This would be great for camping outside or um, if we're having s'mores outside, the kids can have hot chocolate in this. I bought 4 of them for us. But this was, I thought it was great. Love it. Okay. All right. I bought some yarn, and this is an orange. It's not a mustard. And this is a really creamy yellow. Um, these were 30% off. Um, I have white already, so I'm going to, I hope it's the same kind of yarn, but it's so soft. This one's really soft. So I bought that, and reason why I bought this, because I'm going to try and make those little hats for these little mugs that I bought on Amazon, and they are simply too cute. I couldn't help it. And I'm not one for cuteness, but I love how you can make little hats for them for, you know, all year round, really, you know? And I've been seeing a lot of people sell these on Etsy, and I want to try my hand on it. If I can't do it, I'm going to buy some. I'm just being honest. So, okay. So that was at Hobby Lobby, and in the ribbon section, These were 50% off, and I love this size ribbon. I couldn't help all the different colors they had. I think they had pink, blue, purple. I think those are it. But I got all these. I don't have this color. This is like a cream and red plaid and the black and red. Okay, so that was 50 cents. I mean, 50 cents. Jesus. 50% off on ribbon. I did find some clearance beads. I thought this one was so pretty. I had to get him. And then, and it was only for 99 cents. Same as this one. And I just love this pearl. It's more of a frosted pearl or a matte finish. So it reminds it. I don't know. I just love how it looks. It's not like my normal pearl beads that I do have a ton of. Then I found, I don't know, this was random in the fabric section. I think somebody moved it there. I don't know. But I found it and I was like, okay, I'll take that. And then in the fabric clearance area, I found this fabric. I don't need any more fabric. I really don't. I have so much that I've bought on lives and stuff like that that I really don't need anymore. But this one was just too cute and calling my name. I saw these little campers and I thought of you, Gina. Gina is Scrapinology here on YouTube. She goes camping. I think she calls it glamping. But she loves campers and she loves to camp out. And I love campers too. I love the retro look of campers. The newer ones are okay. I just, I don't know. Back in the day, there is a gray or like a steel camper. I mean, I don't know what they call it. Maybe aluminum. I don't know. Camper in our area, and I don't think they've ever. They might have used it a long time ago, but it's just sitting there, and it's just sad to see that it's just going to waste. But anyway, I thought of you, Gina, and they do have this at Hobby Lobby, and oh my gosh, I have a lot of ideas for these wooden pieces. You only get 3, but this is on sale. I got a couple dies, and I bought this one. I had made a ornament long, gosh, I don't know how many years ago that I bought these little plastic domes. I still have quite a bit of them left. I used a die from Michael's. It came with a tree. It had a little fence, and I added some snow text to the tree and then there's some shaker bits on the bottom. They're like snowflakes. And I used these paper doily, and I used a tinsel, and I went around it. I thought it was just really cute. So I kind of want to make some more of these with this die. And it's a Tim Holtz. I don't think this is a new. I don't think this is part of his new release, but nonetheless, I didn't have it in my collection, so I got that. And I think this is part of his new collection, the retro oven, and I had to have this. Look at that teeny tiny ginger. Oh my gosh, so cute. I don't know what it is this year about gingers. Everybody's buying all the ginger dies and stamps and I guess Jill, you have made us bonkers. with, it's a good bonkers, because I think we are all loving gingerbread men, ginger women, baking again, and recipes. I'm not gonna buy any of that stuff, so it's nice to see everybody go bonkers over it. Um, but I love this one. My daughter and I bake a lot, and so that is fitting for me. So lastly, I just want to share a paper pad. I didn't need this, did I? No, I don't need any more paper. I just sewed like 5 or 6 boxes of paper. Oh my God. Okay, so I had to get this because I love all the different plaids. And I'm just going to show you the different patterns. I'm not going to flip through because nobody wants to see that. But they are 15 different plaids. I think they're 3 each. So you get a total of 60 sheets. So, and it's an 8.5 by 11. It's not very big, so I can't wait to start making some projects with that. So that is my haul for my birthday. My birthday's tomorrow, and I'm getting old. I can feel it in my bones and my joints. So I just want to thank everybody for commenting on my videos and commenting on my Instagram. I appreciate it a lot. I hope I can find my mojo to make some stuff and come back on. And I'm trying to get back on because I'm doing the Saturday morning makes. Oh my gosh. No, my crafty dares on Friday, and I want to come back on and try to participate in Jill Norwood's Saturday morning makes this coming Saturday. Hopefully, I will make something and present. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.